shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Join at Dan Craft for amazing homeschooling activities. If you are a school or a homeschooling parent, get your own educational programs, curricula, and video classes.